everyone, today we'll be making an easy apron that you can give as a gift this holiday, so let's get to craft. So to start, you're going to need your design in Cricut Design Space. Mine I bought from an Etsy store linked down below along with the SVG. So once you have imported it, it's time to cut it out, and don't forget to measure your apron before you cut it out. I am cutting it out on the HTV Rod White HTV. So now that it is cut, weed it. And once you have weeded your design, preheat your apron. I got mine off of Amazon, and then apply your vinyl to your apron. So this is how your apron should look. I actually really like the apron I put this on. I think it's really good quality, especially for applying HTV. So I will have it linked down below. But thank you guys for joining today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy holidays!